Here is news you can use with sounds of Sir Q. Hit it! Since Married to Medicine is gearing up, towards the end of the season, they're now in the process of filming the reunion show. I kept wondering how all this was going to play out because, my sources were coming to me and bringing me information, and they were informing me that, I guess given the future episodes to come, Sweet Tea had went through so much that she mentally was not prepared to attend the reunion. So I was kind of on the edge because I'm like, you know what? It wouldn't make sense if Sweet Tea didn't attend. I mean, she would need to attend because, she played a major part of the season. So, I mean, and I get, you're on a reality show. There's going to be so much that transpires. But at the same time, this is what you signed up for. So, I mean, I hate to be a little harsh, but come on now. I know you don't watch a lot of reality shows, so you know what you are pretty much. And if you don't know fully, you just by watching other reality shows, you pretty much have an idea of exactly what you are about to get yourself into, especially when you sign that dotted line on that contract. But I saw that she ended up, it looks like she did appear on the upcoming reunion, but who didn't appear on the reunion was Phaedra. I'm going to be honest to you because I feel as if Phaedra doesn't really have an alliance when it comes to that show, that platform. So it's almost like Phaedra is on an island by herself, right? So she probably, I'm pretty sure subconsciously, she was saying to herself, look, I'm known to, be the shade assassin, but if I'm the only one there on this island by myself, these ladies they're going to have a tendency to rip me apart. So why would I want to put myself in the lion's den when I know exactly what the outcome is going to be? So Phaedra said, you know what? I'm exactly where I need to be now. I'm grateful. Praise God. So I don't need to be ridiculed. I don't need to be attacked. So let me just chunk the deuces on y'all and let me just skip this reunion. And allegedly, that's what she did. So it's going to be, I think it's going to allow the reunion to be a little off because Phaedra, too, was somewhat of a focal point pretty much towards the end of the season. So we needed her there to, answer questions. We needed her there for Andy to, to throw his little shade every time he could when it comes to him asking his questions. But we needed her there because right now you are a part of the dynamic. So you not attending just throws a monkey wrench into, the whole narration of the show. So it's sad that, she did bow out, but at the same time, I'm pretty sure it was for the best because from what it appears just by, reading the blogs, looking at these different clips, it appears that her and Dr. Heavenly are not in a good space. And so we all know how Dr. Heavenly is, right? Dr. Heavenly, she goes hard. And I mean, your mama hard. So, because Phaedra had already been a part of those dynamics, I don't think that she mentally would have been prepared. No matter how much she would have tried to prepare herself, I don't think that she would have been mentally capable of being able to handle Dr. Heavenly and the other lady, especially all at once. It probably would have been too much for her. So, I mean, I guess I can understand why she decided to bow out, because, I mean, one thing that Phaedra is not going to do, Phaedra is not going to be humiliated. She will do whatever she can to ensure that that doesn't take place. So, I guess you could say she made the right decision. And again, how she looks at it, she's going to save all her Phaedra-isms for when Housewives comes on. Look, Phaedra's strategic, right? So we already know that there's always a method to her madness. And at the end of the day, I guess you can't really knock her, because, I mean, she wouldn't have gotten this far if she wasn't strategic with the things that she does. But I digress. You know, I mean, all we can do is just I will say it's gonna be fun to watch the remainder of the season, because it is hot, it is juicy, and they not sparing. They they're not letting us down whatsoever. For more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.